हेलो गाइस। आज ये ह्यूमन वेलफेयर का अंतिम क्वेश्चन है जो ह्यूमन हेल्थ और डिजीज से लिया गया है। इसको भी आप देख लें। इस प्रकार आपका इकोलॉजी और ह्यूमन वेलफेयर दोनों कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। उसके बाद फिर हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे। यहाँ देखिए आपको क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है और इसमें पहला क्वेश्चन है विच इज एन इन्फेक्शस डिजीज। तो पहली बात है कोरोनरी थ्रोम्बोसिस, दूसरा डिप्थीरिया, तीसरा डायबिटीज मेलिटस और चौथा हाइपरटेंशन। तो इसमें क्या है? इन्फेक्शस डिजीज जो है डिप्थीरिया कैंसर इज कॉज्ड बाय अनकंट्रोल्ड माइटोसिस। साल्मोनेला is related to the typhoid. Which of the following infectious disease? That is the hepatitis B. LSD hallucinogenic in nature. LSD मादक द्रव्य. Which one of the following fungi contain the hallucinogen? Amanita muscaria. Which of the following used as a treatment of thyroid cancer? I-131. Iodine. BCG vaccine is the preventive measure against the tuberculosis without test employed for determining typhoid. ये क्वेश्चन लगभग 20 बार पूछा गया है, तो ध्यान देंगे आप। Carcinoma refer to the malignant tumor of the skin and the mucous membrane. The vaccine of the hepatitis B is the second generation vaccine. The short-lived immunity acquired from mother to fetus across the placenta or through the mother milk to the infant is categorized as the passive immunity. What is the true about the T lymphocyte in the mammal? There are the three main type of cytotoxic: the T cell, helper cell and suppressor T cell. ये सबसे सही है। The disease tetanus is also known as lockjaw. Blood cell involved in inflammatory reaction or basophil. The treatment of a snake bite venom is an example of artificial acquired passive immunity. Which one of the following is a matching pair of a drug and its category? Amphetamine and stimulants. The severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS. इस साल भी ये सवाल पूछने की उम्मीद है या इससे रिलेटेड? Severe acute respiratory syndrome SARS is caused by the variant of pneumococcus pneumoniae. Is caused by variant of the common cold virus या कोरोना वायरस, कि ये बीमारी भी कोरोना वायरस से ही हुई थी सार्स, और आज भी कोरोना वायरस का इन्फेक्शन है, केवल स्ट्रेन अलग है। Women who consume the drug thalidomide for the relief from vomiting during the early month of pregnancy gave birth to the children with the underdeveloped limb. तो ये थैलेडोमाइड की अगर कंजम्पशन हो रहा है तो इससे क्या डर रहता है कि बच्चे में अंडर डेवलप्ड लिम हो सकता है। कैंसर सेल are more easily damaged by radiation than the normal cell because of undergoing rapid diffusion. The damage to the thymus in the child may lead to the loss of the cell-mediated immunity. In an insect bite may result in inflammation of that spot that triggered by the alarm chemicals such as the histamine and kinins. Antigen binding site of antibody found between either between two light chain or between one heavy and one light chain. दो जगह पाया जाता है depending upon the nature of it. Oncogene is a cancer causing gene. 6-GP dehydrogenase deficiency associated with the hemolysis of RBC. A young drug addict used to show symptom of depressed brain activity, feeling and calmness, relaxation and drowsiness. Possibly he was taking Valium. AIDS is caused by HIV that the principally affect the T4 lymphocyte, two of the body part which do not appear in MRI, scapula and canine. The antibodies in our body are complex glycoprotein mast cells secrete histamine in the life cycle of Plasmodium. Sexual stage या gametocyte begin to develop in RBC in human. इन सारी बातों को ध्यान देंगे, छोटी छोटी बातें हैं. HIV that cause AIDS, the first start destroying the helper T lymphocyte to which type of the barrier under innate immunity to the saliva in the mouth and the tears from the eye belong to the physiological barrier. Match the disease in column 1 with the appropriate item pathogen prevention or treatment in column B. तो क्या है, पहला क्या है, amoebiasis. तो amoebiasis में क्या है, use only sterilized food and water. दूसरा क्या है, diphtheria. तो diphtheria से क्या है, DPT वैक्सीन. कॉलेरा, यूज ओरल डिहाइड्रेशन थेरापी. और चौथा क्या है, डी है, सिफिलिस. किससे होता है, ट्रिपेनोमा पैलेडियम. एंटीजन बाइंडिंग साइट is an antibody the formed by the two heavy chain? No, one heavy and one light chain. Which one of the following statement is correct? The patients who have undergone surgery are given cannabinoid to relieve pain. Which of the following is a pair of viral disease? Common cold and AIDS. A person likely to develop tetanus is immunized by the administering preformed antibody. Use of antihistamine and steroid give a quick relief from the allergy. Alzheimer's disease in human is associated with the deficiency of acetylcholine. Which one of the following statement is correct with respect of AIDS? The causative HIV retrovirus enter helper T lymphocyte, thus the reducing their number. Select the correct statement for the one given below. तो इसमें चार ऑप्शन दिया गया है, लेकिन इसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट और माकूल ये चारों ऑप्शन आप पढ़ेंगे. मॉर्फिन इज ऑफन गिवन टू पर्सन हु हैव अंडरगोन सर्जरी एज ए पेन किलर. इसके अलावा ये जो ऑप्शन है ये भी सही नहीं है, ये बार्बियोराइट का भी ऑप्शन सही नहीं है और टोबैको वाला भी नहीं है. Consider the following the four statement A to D regarding kidney transplantation and select the two correct out of these. Even if a kidney transplant is proper in the recipient may need to take immunosuppression for a long time. No. The cell-mediated immune response is responsible for the graft rejection. The body B lymphocytes are responsible for the rejection of graft. The acceptance or rejection of the kidney transplant depend upon a specific interferon. No, इसमें क्या सही है, A और B, पहला दो ऑप्शन. Vidal test used for diagnosis of malometaphid ringworm in the human is caused by fungi. A person suffering from disease caused by Plasmodium experience reoccurring chill and fever at the time when the trophozoite reach maximum growth and give out certain toxin. Which one of the following technique is the safest for detection of the cancer? MRI. Which one of the following cannot be used for the preparation of the vaccine against plague, heat kill, suspension of virulent bacteria? Which of these most infectious disease? Hepatitis B. देखिए कई बार ये सवाल पूछा गया है. When will you look for the sporozoite in the malarial parasite saliva of infected female mosquito Anopheles mosquito? At which stage HIV infection does one usually show the symptom of AIDS? When HIV replicate rapidly in the helper T lymphocyte and damaged by the large cell of this. A certain patient suspected to be suffering from the acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Which diagnosis technique will you recommend for detection? Elisha. Which one of the following act as a physiological barrier to the entry of the microorganism in human body? Tears. Select the correct statement with respect to the disease and immunization. If due to some reason B and T lymphocytes are damaged, the body will not produce antibody against a pathogen. Which one of the following option give to the correct matching of the disease with the causative organism and mode of infection? Pneumonia, Streptococcus pneumoniae, droplet infection, यही करेक्ट है आपस में. नहीं तो ये मलेरिया, प्लाज्मोडियम विवेक्स, बाइट ऑफ मेल मस्क्यूटो, गलत है. टाइफाइड, साल्मोनेला टाइफी विद द इंस्पायर्ड एयर, गलत है. एलिफेंटियासिस, बाउचेरिया, बेनक्रेप्टाई विद द इन्फेक्टेड वाटर एंड फूड, गलत है. The pathogen Microsporum responsible for the ringworm disease in the human belong to the same kingdom of organism as the dead Rhizopus, a mold. Read the following statement having the two blanks A and B. A drug is for a patient is obtained from the species of organism B. Organ transplantation के लिए ड्रग कहाँ से? ट्राइकोडर्मा से. Common cold is not cured by antibiotic because not infectious disease, no, caused by virus. Which one of the following is correct? तो इसमें कौन है? कॉमन कोल्ड, ड्रॉपलेट इन्फेक्शन, गलत है. टाइफाइड, कंटामिनेटेड फूड एंड वाटर, चाहिए. एड्स, सेकिंग हैंड, गलत है. रिंग वार्म, यूजिंग इन्फेक्शन ट्रैवल, गलत. तो इसमें क्या क्या है सही? ए, बी, डी. Which one of the following is the correct statement regarding the particular psychotropic drug effect? The barbiturate causes the relaxation and the temporary euphoria. Cirrhosis of liver is caused by the chronic intake of alcohol. Which one of the following is not the property of the cancerous cell where the remaining three are? They show contact inhibition. पहला ऑप्शन है दे डिवाइड इन अनकंट्रोल्ड मैनर, दे compete with normal cell for vital nutrients, they do not remain confined in area. हाँ सही है कि ये गलत है कि they show contact, they do not show contact inhibition. Motile zygote of Plasmodium occur in gut of Anopheles, female Anopheles. 64 numbers वाली, in which one of the following option is the two example are correctly matched with their particular type of immunity? तो यही है क्या? Polymorphy, leukocyte and monocyte, nuclear and cellular barrier. ये ऑप्शन आपका सही है. Common cold differ from pneumonia in that the pneumonia pathogen infect alveoli, whereas the common cold affect nose and respiratory passage but not the lungs. Typhoid fever is confined by Vidal test. Which one of the following statement is correct with the respect of immunity? Preform antibiotic need to inject to the threat by the bite by the viper snake. Which one of सवाल क्या है फिर से देख लीजिए. Which one of the following statement is correct in the respect of immunity? The preformed antibodies need to be injected to the treat the bite by the viper snake. Viper snake के काटने पर. Identify the molecule A and B shown below. The select the right option giving their source and use. तो ये देखिए यही राइट ऑप्शन है आपका. ए और बी दो फॉर्मूला दिए गए. मॉर्फिन कहां से निकाला जाता है? पापावर सोमनीफेरा. और यूज क्या है? सेडेटिव एंड पेन किलर. क्योंकि कैनाबिनोइड नहीं है. एट्रोपा बेलाडोना, लेकिन ये कोकीन इससे निकाला जाता है, लेकिन ये यूज नहीं है. हीरोइन कैनाबिनस डाइवा से नहीं निकाला जाता. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट? मॉर्फिन यूज एज सेडेटिव एंड पेन किलर. Which one of the following organization is mainly related to the AIDS? NACO. The disease due to the maximum death in the children occur in the measles. The cell-mediated immunity inside the human body is carried out by the B lymphocytes. Which of the following particular type of the drug that obtained from the plant whose one flowering branch is shown below? Depressant, ये धतूरा का पौधा है. At which stage the HIV infection does one usually show the symptom of AIDS? When HIV damage large number of T lymphocytes. देखिए ये कितनी बार पूछा गया है. Which one of the following is correct? The interferon protect the neighboring cell from the further viral infection. Which is the correct statement about interferon? Interferon released from the viral infected cell. Interferon provide नहीं ये ठीक. Interferon a proteinous substance which is released by their own cell after infection of virus. HIV cause AIDS the first start destroying helper T lymphocyte. Match each disease with the correct type of the vaccine. The tuberculosis में कौन सा ट्यूबरक्लोसिस में क्या होगा? हार्मलेस बैक्टीरिया. whooping कफ में क्या होगा? किल्ड बैक्टीरिया. डिप्थीरिया में क्या है? इनएक्टिवेटेड टॉक्सिन. और पोलियो में हार्मलेस वायरस. Which one of the following virus is not transferred through the semen in the infected female? फिर से सवाल. Which of the following virus is not transferred through semen of an infected male? Chikungunya virus. Anti-woman injection contain preformed antibodies, while polio drops that are administered into body contain attenuated pathogen. यही ऊपर harmless virus. In higher vertebrate, the immune system can distinguish self, cell and non-self. Is this property lost due to the genetic abnormality and attacks self cell? It leads to the autoimmune. In higher vertebrates, the immune system can distinguish self cell and non-self. In this property is lost due to genetic abnormality and it attacks self cell. This lead to the autoimmune disease. यहाँ पर ये गलत है. यहाँ इसका आंसर आप ये लेंगे. ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज. आइए आगे बढ़ते हैं. अब ये जितने भी सवाल थे सबका यहाँ आंसर दिया हुआ है. अब इससे आगे आइए, थोड़ी सी सवाल और है. ये क्या है? तो एग्जाम्पलर के सवाल है, देख लें. द टर्म हेल्थ इज डिफाइंड इन द मेनी वे. द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट डेफिनेशन ऑफ द हेल्थ वुड बी हेल्थ इज द स्टेट ऑफ बॉडी एंड mind in the balanced condition. Health is the reflection of the smiling face. No, health is the state of the complete physical, mental and social well-being. The common organism which cause the disease, the plant and the animal is called pathogen. The cell chemical test that used for the diagnosis of the typhoid, vital test disease are broadly grouped into infection, non-infectious disease. In this list given below, identify the infectious disease second and fourth. Influenza and smallpox. The sporozoite that cause infection when a female Anopheles mosquito bites the human being are found in salivary gland of mosquito. The disease chikungunya transmitted by Aedes mosquito. Many diseases can be diagnosed by observing the symptom in this patient. Which group of symptoms are indicative of pneumonia? तो इसका क्या होगा आंसर? डिफिकल्टी इन रेस्पिरेशन, फीवर, chills, cough and headache. The gene causing cancer or oncogene in mammalian tumor, the cell proliferate, grow rapidly and move to other part of the body to form the new tumor. This stage is called metastasis. When the totally healthy person is diagnosed as unhealthy by a physiopsychiatrist, the reason could be that the patient show behavioral and social maladjustment. Which of the following are reason for the rheumatoid arthritis? Choose the correct option. सेकेंड और फोर्थ दोनों. बॉडी अटैक सेल्फ autoimmune disease है, and the ability to differentiate pathogen or foreign molecule from self is lost. AIDS is caused by HIV. Among the following, which one is not a mode of transmission of HIV? Shaking hand with the infected person. A smack is a drug obtained from latex of Papaver somnifera. The substance produced by the cell in the viral infection that can protect the other cell from further infection. The interferon transplantation of the tissue organ shape. Certain patients often fall due to rejection of the such tissue organ by the patient. Which type of immune response is responsible for such rejection? Cell-mediated immune response. Antibody present in colostrum which protect the newborn from certain disease. Colostrum पता होगा ना? First date milk of the mother. IgA type. The tobacco consumption is known as a stimulated secretion to the adrenaline or noradrenaline, the component causing this caused by nicotine. The antivenom against the snake poison contain antibodies. Which one of the following is not a lymphoid tissue? Liver. Which of the following gland is the larger size at the time of birth but reduced in size with the aging? Thymus gland. Hemoglobin is a toxin from Plasmodium species. One of the following is not the causal organism for ringworm, macrosporum. बाकी ये तीनों से ringworm होता है. A person who sickle cell anemia is less prone to malaria. याद रखने की बात है. तो इस प्रकार आप लोगों ने ये देखा कि इसकी भी सवाल बहुत आसान है और हमने आपको रखा है सामने. ऐसा मेरा नहीं मानना है कि ये सवाल आप पहली बार देख रहे हैं, लेकिन मैं जस्ट एक बार दे रहा हूं कि इसी तरह के सवाल आते हैं और ये मेरा देना इसलिए आवश्यक है कि जैसा कि आपके दिमाग में ये लगा हुआ है कि एनसीईआरटी से सवाल नहीं आते, सब एनसीईआरटी के बाहर से आते. तो देखिए सारे के सवाल एनसीईआरटी से और ये सारे ऑल ओवर इंडिया कहीं ना कहीं पूछे गए सवाल है और जिनकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है कि इतनी ही बात एनसीईआरटी में है, इसलिए इससे आगे कुछ पूछने की संभावना है ही नहीं. तो चलिए हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं. और इस प्रकार आप लोगों ने देखा कि ह्यूमन वेलफेयर का 3 चैप्टर और इकोलॉजी का 4 चैप्टर, ये दोनों यूनिट आपके खत्म हुए. इसके बाद मैं कोशिश करता हूं कि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से आपसे सवाल करूं और आपको मैं कुछ बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से बातें बताऊं, क्योंकि बायोटेक्नोलॉजी